choice today with the 2020 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, air conditioning, remote vehicle start, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, Sirius XM radio, fog lamps, HD radio, center console. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.